Example 8, x to the power of a by a minus b by x to the power of a by a plus b divided by x power b by b minus a by x power b by b plus a whole raised to a plus b. So, the given expression is in this way: x by a minus b by x power a by a plus b divided by x power b by b minus a by x power b by b plus a whole raised to a plus b. So, this can be written it as the first term, keep a by b, yes, a to the power of m by a power n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. At the same time, a by b divided by c by d can be written as a by b multiplied by d by c. By using this concept, this is x to the power of a by a minus b minus a by a plus b, and instead of a division I write it as a multiplying. This you can reverse the product, that is x to the power of b by b plus a minus b by b minus a whole to the power of a plus b, and that is written it as, having the same base, the powers can be simplified. But before that, let me simplify the numerator of the first x power. So, x to the power of a taken common 1 by a minus b minus 1 by a plus b into x to the power of b taken common, it is 1 by b plus a minus 1 by b minus a whole raised to a plus b. That on simplifying, x to the power of a multiplied by a plus b minus a plus b divided by a square minus b square into x to the power of b multiplied by, it is b minus a minus b minus a divided by b square minus a square whole to the power of a plus b. That on simplifying, this is x to the power of, here a gets cancelled, you will be getting 2ab by a square minus b square into x to the power of, here b gets cancelled, minus 2ab divided by b square minus a square to the power of a plus b, and that can be written as x to the power of the denominator of the exponent. Here this can be interchanged, you get a minus sign, common, minus gets cancelled, you will be getting 2ab by a square minus b square minus of minus plus 2ab by a square minus b square to the power of a plus b. And of course, denominator same add the powers, that can be written as x to the power of 4ab divided by a square minus b square can be factorized as a plus b multiplied by a minus b whole to the power of a plus b. So that when you multiply, these two terms gets cancelled, and that results in x to the power of 4ab divided by a minus b. So the answer is the fourth option.